my channel. So today I have another unit from Hairvivi, and Theodore is in the background ripping up paper, so please ignore him. But yeah, so Hairvivi has a new improvement to their cap construction that I'll be showing you guys in a second. So you know they pride themselves on being beginner friendly wigs with everything done for you fresh out of the box. So I'm showing you guys what this unit looks like fresh out of the box. So this is Jayla. She's a curtain bang unit, and I've been loving curtain bangs recently, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what this unit looks like fresh out of the box. Okay, so going through the list of the things that they have included in their wig, for those of you that are not familiar with Hairvivi, they have the fixed scalp already sewn in the inside. They have HD lace. They have the adjustable elastic band in the back, so you can make it as tight or as loose as fit. And then they also have the piano key by the ear, so you can adjust the elastic band where needed, so it's not like pushing on your ears. They also have a pre-plucked hairline, and then their latest addition to their wig cap is a fitted lace part. So sometimes the lace on units kind of sticks out a bit, and when it does this, you either have to cut it perfectly to your natural hair shape, or if you pull it too tight, it can cause the lace to wrinkle and just not look nice. So their cap is now fitted to your scalp, if that makes sense. So it's a little more snug and it's not lifted at all. If you still need to cut away some of the hairline or some of the lace, you can. But look how good this is snug to my head, y'all. Like, it is so snug, and it fits so good in the forehead area. You don't have to worry about it like lifting or wrinkling because of the way that it's shaped. So what they're saying is this new snug cap is supposed to make the wig more glueless. You're supposed to be able to wear it without anything. So that's what I'm going to do today. Right now I'm just adjusting the ear tabs because it is a little bit too long for me in the hairline area. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust them, and I'm just showing you guys in regular speed, I guess, what it looks like, because I get this question so much about cutting by the ears. So what I do is I just cut at an angle. I go ahead and section out the part that's covering my ear. So I tuck my ear under the lace, so it's under there right now, and then I section out which part is still covering my ear, and I do it at an angle. So right now I'm just checking to make sure I have enough still covered. So I'm just going to make sure this is nice and crisp so that when I cut this off, I'm not cutting too much or too little. So you want to really make sure that all of the hair is out of the way, because you don't want to accidentally cut like hair that you're actually keeping. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that other duck clip right there, and then I'm just going to cut around the ear and cut down right through that part at an angle, and it should be perfect. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So my ear is under the lace right now, and then I'm going to start my part at the tip of my ear and go down at an angle. And then I'm just using the clips to make sure all the hair is out of the way, and then I'm just going to cut it. So now that both of my ears are free, I can go ahead and cut the rest of the lace. And when I cut the rest of the lace, y'all, I kind of do it in like a jagged motion. That's why it looks like I'm shaking really fast. But I do it in a jagged motion so that it's not a completely smooth line. And I literally just follow the shape of the hairline that they already created. And then if I need to cut any more, like if it's too close to my eyebrow or too far down on my forehead, I just go ahead and manipulate the hairline by cutting away what I don't need and making it fit like what my real hairline looks like, if that makes sense. So now I was trying to see if I could truly wear it glueless, and it fits so good. Literally from like the tail of my eyebrow to the tail of my eyebrow on the other side, it fits perfectly. But by the ear tabs, this is the part that just always lifts, and I don't know, I just feel like it will never truly be glueless because of the ear tabs. So I'm going to go ahead and take some bobby pins and just slide these right above my ear, right where my ear starts, just to hold that part down, and you're going to see it's going to just fit so much better. So you can see it's still not completely fleshed down to like my skin. So I'm going to go in with the mousse. I was looking for a sticky one. I couldn't remember which one was sticky, but I think it was the olive oil one. So yeah, I went in with the olive oil mousse and just a little bit along the hairline. No baby hairs, no nothing. I'm literally just smoothing it down. And I'm going to use this kind of as my adhesive, but it's going to help mold the lace so that it's more flat against, what's this, my forehead? My temples, I guess? Yes, I'm going to do this.
Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind.
So now that I have the mousse on, I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair up out of the way and then use one of these wrap strips to tie it down for a couple of minutes just so I can make sure it's set and dry and it's molded to my head.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down on our way.
So while I'm letting the hairline set and dry, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little more mousse, but this time I'm using the LovelyBryana mousse. You guys know I love this one for actual hair because it gives a nice shine. And I'm going to go ahead and flatten out my parting area and get everything really smooth. And then I'm also going to add a few curls to the bottom and then to the curtain bangs once I take the strip off. But yeah, I'm using my Baby Bliss Infinity Pearl flat irons, I believe, and they also double as a curler. But right now I just added a little bit of jojoba oil.
We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, we're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that.
So I also got dressed while the wig was still setting, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the wrap strip, you guys, and look how flat this is. Like, it is really molded down, and it is not glued down at all. And I just love the softness that mousse gives when you like put it on the front instead of like gel or something. It just looks I don't know, it just gives a nice softness, but it's still like slick back, if that makes sense. So I'm just combing out the curls, and then I'm going to fix the little curtain bang part.
Your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.
Okay guys, so this is it for this unit. It is not glued down at all. Just use the mousse to shape the lace and then have my bobby pins on the side. But yeah, I really love the latest addition to their wigs, like the fitted cap. That is a plus. I think all companies should do that. But as far as being 100% glueless, fresh out of the box, it does take a little bit of tweaking. You do have to, again, add either the bobby pins and maybe a wig grip. I would definitely add my wig grip. Totally forgot about that. But yeah, that will keep it a little bit more secure. It's just the ear tabs. The ear tabs are just the hardest part to get to go glueless. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.